Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Thank you for giving my opportunity for introducing myself. My name is Erika Jaya. I am from Rejing Deris Probolinggo. I am grad from Riyadus Solihin Ketapang High School. Coming to my hobby, I make driven box drawing, and football. I study at Zainul Hasan Ginggong University Probolinggo. My strength is to get what at them he ever finish and on them. He what thank you.